In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a protected branch in GitHub. This is useful for preventing unwanted changes and keeping important branches secure. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, open the repository where you want to protect a branch. Once you're inside the repository, click Settings from the top menu. From the left sidebar, click Branches. Now, click Add Classic Branch Protection Rule. In the branch name pattern field, enter the name of the branch you want to protect, such as main. Next, select the protection rules you want to apply. You can require pull request reviews, require status checks to pass, or prevent force pushes depending on your workflow. Once you've selected the rules you need, scroll down and click Create. Your branch is now protected, helping prevent accidental changes and ensuring important updates follow the rules you have configured. That's how to set up a protected branch in GitHub. Thanks for watching.